A flower seller started with 45 flowers. Now he is left with 8 flowers. To find out how many flowers he sold, he subtracts 8 from 45. He gets the answer 43. Is it correct? Let's use a number line to check. To subtract 8 from 45, we must start from 45 and jump 8 places backwards. Where have we reached? 37. So 45 minus 8 is 37, and not 43. Where did the flower seller go wrong? Look at the subtraction closely. 45 minus 8 can be shown as 4 tens and 5 ones minus 8 ones. In subtraction, we always start by subtracting the ones first. Here we have to subtract 8 ones from 5 ones. Subtracting means taking away, but 8 ones are more than 5 ones. Can we take away more from a group that has less? No. So this subtraction is not possible. So, what do we do? Change the order of subtraction, as the flower seller did? No, that would be a big mistake. In subtraction, we cannot change the order of the numbers to be subtracted. 5 minus 8 cannot be changed to 8 minus 5. Then, how do we subtract? Move on to understand. In subtraction, if the number to be subtracted is greater than the number it is to be subtracted from, as we have here, 5 ones minus 8 ones, then what do? We borrow or regroup a 10 from the tens column. In the tens column there is 4, which equals 3 plus 1. Let's replace 4 with the 3 and 1. Now we are ready to borrow. We will move 1 from the tens column to the ones column. But remember, 1 in the tens column stands for 1 10. 1 10 equals 10 ones. So, when it is moved from the tens columns to the ones, it must be regrouped into 10 ones. 1 from tens column becomes 10 in the ones column. In the ones column, we now, just for this purpose, have 10 ones plus 5 ones, which equals 15 ones. 45, or 4 tens and 5 ones, is now regrouped into 3 tens and 15 ones. So we now have 15 in the ones column and 3 in the tens column. Since 15 ones is more than 8 ones, it is now possible to subtract the ones. 15 ones minus 8 ones equals 7 ones. Let's write 7 below the ones column. In the tens column, we have just 3. So we just have to move it under the tens column. Hence, 45 minus 8 equals 37. Here's another subtraction problem. 92 minus 35. Let's arrange the numbers in vertical columns. First, we subtract the ones. 2 minus 5. Since 2 is less than 5, we cannot subtract this. So, we borrow from the tens column. We split 9 into an 8 and a 1. So in the tens column, we replace 9 with 8 and 1 at the top. Next, we regroup the 1 in the tens column to 10 ones and move them to the ones column. 10 ones and 2 ones equal 12 ones. 92 is now regrouped to 8 tens and 12 ones. Now we can subtract. First, we subtract the ones. 12 minus 5 equals 7. Let's write 7 under the ones column. Next, we subtract the tens. 8 minus 3 equals 5. Let's write 5 under the tens column. So 92 minus 35 equals 57. Let's practice word problems based on subtraction by regrouping. Here's the first problem. A fruit seller had 60 oranges. He sold 38. How many does he have left? To find how many oranges the fruit seller has left, we must subtract 38 from 60. Let's arrange the numbers in vertical columns. Next, check the digits in the ones column. We have to subtract 8 from 0. 8 is bigger than 0. Hence, it is not possible to subtract. So, we borrow from the tens column. 6 can be split into a 5 and a 1. And the 1 can be moved to the ones column. 1 10 gets regrouped to 10 ones. So, there are 10 ones. Now, we can subtract 8 from 10 in the ones column. 10 minus 8 equals 2. Next, we subtract the tens. In the tens column, we have the regrouped 5, from which we must subtract 3. 5 minus 3 equals 2. We get 22. So, the fruit seller has 22 oranges left. Let's solve one more problem. There are 98 seats in the stadium, of which 79 are occupied. You have to find how many seats are empty. To find out how many seats are empty, we have to subtract 79 from 98. Let's arrange the numbers in vertical columns. Next, check the digits in the ones column. We have to subtract 9 from 8. 9 is bigger than 8. Hence, it is not possible to subtract. So, we borrow from the tens column. 9 can be split into an 8 and a 1. And 1 can be moved to the ones column. 1 10 gets regrouped as 10 ones. So, we have 18 ones. Now, we can subtract 9 from 18 in the ones column. 18 minus 9 equals 9. Next, we subtract the tens. In the tens column, we have the regrouped 8, from which we must subtract 7. 8 minus 7 equals 1. We get 19. So, there are 19 seats empty in the stadium. Remember, when subtracting two-digit numbers, place values of the digits become very important. So, arrange the numbers in vertical columns. Start by subtracting the ones. Check if you need to borrow. If yes, then regroup 110 into 10 ones and move them to the ones. Next, subtract the ones and then the tens.